What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another product from MEKOH, you guys. I reviewed, I think, like 3 MEKOH products in the past. My channel is 100% transparency, you guys. If a product don't work, it gets uploaded. Yes, companies have emailed me and said, oh, can you review our product? And when you review it, can you make sure you say this, you say that? No. Once I get a message like that, I don't review your product. All right. I tell people I already have a pre-made email saying that I do 100% honest review, you guys. I will upload the video whether your product worked or not. And people still email me. So there you go. All right. Here we have a surface cleaner. Okay. And this is a 14-inch. Not that big, but big enough to do sidewalks, stuff like that. Now, when it comes to driveways, you may want a little bit bigger surface cleaner. All right. And also your stairway going in the basement and all of that. So here we go. And this is what it looks like, you guys. All right. Let me get y'all a little bit close and personal. So here y'all go. Turns around, got the bristles right here, and this is very strong. Okay, so I will be doing the sidewalk soon. Right here we have the instruction guide. I just got a MEKOH wand, a telescope wand. Right now the temperatures are not where I need it to be to turn my spigot on. I'm gonna turn my spigot on. The temperatures are starting to be in the 60s. We are at the end of February now. Temperatures are at the 60s. Probably like the first or second week of March, I will pressure wash the house. So y'all will see this in action. Subscribe to the channel. 100% honest review, you guys. 100% honest review. Trust me, I put out reviews where stuff didn't work and people got mad at me. But it is what it is, you guys. I cannot be bought. And that's about it. Now, if y'all really want to know all the specs, I will post the specs for y'all. It says maximum pressure on here is 2,500 PSI for the maximum pressure. Of course, y'all know this is 14-inch deck. All right. The connection is a 1/4-inch connection, which is good. It's a 1/4-inch connection. All right. I think that's normal. All right. Inlet water temperature is 140 degrees and all of that. So I will post all the specs for y'all. And when I'm ready to go over this and when I'm ready to use this, for the ones that know my style of review, y'all know I post the instructions and all the specs while I'm reviewing the product. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, or concerns, I think I showed y'all everything on this. Y'all know this is where it sprays out at. So it sprays out here and then it sprays out on this one. And that's about it. So that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.